This is our new type electric mobile lifting crane. This mobile crane has a lifting capacity of 500 kilos or 1,000 pounds approximately of lifting capacity. It comes with a 12 volt electric winch. It comes with 3 positions in the back for determining the height of the telescopic arm. Position 1 on the top is when the arm will be level. Position 2 is for what you can see now, and position 3 at its maximum height. The telescopic arm then has 3 positions for the reach. Position 1 for minimum reach, position 2 for medium reach, and position 3, as you can see it is in the demonstration, position 3 for maximum reach. This crane comes with an anti-rotating handle, which when you want to rotate, you loosen it like JP is going to show us, and you can rotate the arm of the crane. This crane can rotate 360 degrees. In this demonstration we're just half that or so. Always tighten the rotating handle for the road position or the lifting position. These cranes are very useful for planter people, landscapers, farmers, or people lifting heavy goods in general. They can be fitted to pick up jeeps, small trucks and trailers. JP now will do a short demonstration of the lowering and raising the barrel. They come with approximately 5 to 6 meter cable onto an up-down switch, which JP now is going to show us. So he'll drop it. And up. Good man. These mobile cranes are CE certified and comes with 12 months manufacturer's warranty from Hartnett Products. For more information, go to Hartnett Products or hartnetttrailers.ie. Thanks JP for helping out in this demonstration.